Hey, hello internet. Today we are going to solve megabytes converter, which will convert given kilobytes into megabytes. And welcome to problem solving in Java and learning methods. So at first we'll go and look at the conditions what we need to do. Here given, we need to write a method called print megabytes and kilobytes, and it should take one parameter of type int with a name of kilobytes. So let's create that method. So let's go ahead and create that method. So inside our public class of megabytes converter, create a public static void print megabytes, and it should take a int parameter of type kilobytes, right? Integer kilobytes. Inside this method, what we need to do, the method should return, and it should not return anything, and it is void. It need to calculate the megabytes and remaining kilobytes from the kilobyte parameter. So it needs to print a message in the format of this one. So let's look at the tips what we need to do. We need to use reminder operator, and 1 MB is 1024 kilobytes. So let's start our code by declaring a float value of 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte. So what is 1 kilobyte? Let us initialize it with 1, and create another float value and call it 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024, or we can easily say it is multiplied by 1, right? 1024 into 1 kilobyte. Then after that, create a variable of type integer called megabytes. Megabytes equal to, let us initialize with 0 to avoid any garbage values to be collected in it, and create another variable called kb and initialize with 0. So then go ahead and start the if else statement, as it is asking that if the parameter of the kilobytes is less than 0, print invalid value. So at first we will check if the parameter value is greater than or 0 or not. Kilobytes, if kilobytes is greater than 0, then only run this block of code. So what we need to do in here, now we need to give the value to the megabytes, right? A megabytes equal to, we need to typecast it. We need to typecast int and use math.floor to get the floor value of that one. What it is, that is, if we have 2.65, so it will floor the value as 2. So kilobytes divided by 1 megabyte. Then what is kilobytes? Kilobytes equal to math.round. This is the remaining kilobytes. What this is remaining kilobytes, right? We already have kilobytes. This kb is remaining kilobytes. What we will do? We will do math.round kilobytes percentile 1 megabyte. So we are using this one to get the remaining bytes in that one. So what we will do, we will just output and system.out.println and here we need to print it in the format of excess kb is this much, right? So copy this string and paste it here. So in the place of, it says XX represents original kilobyte, so we will replace it here, and we will add kilobytes plus this one kb, and we are YY represents calculated megabytes. So what is calculated megabytes? MB, right? So here, go here and add a colon, then add here another, and instead of YY write MB, and the remaining kilobytes is this Z1, right? So add it here. Instead of ZZ, write here KB. This is the code for to print out what remaining. So we will check for another condition. If kilobytes, this copy this line, we need to check another condition, right? We need to check for another condition. What if kilobytes is equal to 0? Let's say else if kilobytes is equal to 0. then directly print it here as 0, right? Then for all the negative value, we need to print out invalid value, right? And SOUT invalid value, and format it using Control Alt L. And before this method, declare the main method. Use PSVM to declare the main method. Inside main method, we need to test these test cases, right? Print megabyte and kilobyte of 2500. It should return 2500 KB as 2 MB and 452 kilobytes. Let's check our output, right? Go ahead and paste it and press Ctrl Shift F10 for the first time to run this code. So here we have 2000 kilobytes is 2 MB and 452 KB, and we will check for another condition, print to megabyte 1024. It should return invalid value as the value is less than 0, right? So go ahead and paste this value and press Shift F10 for consecutive builds. So we got invalid value for that one. So look for this 5000 megabytes value. It should represent 4 MB and 904 kilobytes. So let's check it, is that working or not? And sorry, I forgot to copy the P and run for consecutive builds. Press Shift F10 to run, or go ahead and press this run button once again. You need to get 4 MB and 904 KB. Thank you for watching till the end. This is the code to convert. This is the megabyte converter code which converts the kilobyte into megabyte. If you like my content, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the end.